What are the top 5 skills every marketer needs in the age of AI? Welcome to the future, where marketing is no longer just about catchy slogans and captivating visuals. We're in a new era, an era where artificial intelligence has revolutionized the marketing industry. But with this revolution comes new challenges. Marketers now more than ever need to evolve and adapt to stay relevant. As Seth Godin rightly said, marketing is a contest for people's attention, and AI has drastically altered the rules of this contest. So what does it take to win? We've identified 5 essential skills that every marketer needs to master in this age of AI: communication, qualitative research, speed and accuracy, content creation, and a yet-to-be-revealed 5th skill. Each of these skills holds the key to thriving in this AI-driven marketing landscape. Stay tuned to discover these essential skills and how to master them. First and foremost, marketers need to excel in communication. As we navigate the dynamic sphere of marketing in the age of AI, the importance of communication skills cannot be overstated. Yes, artificial intelligence is a game changer. It can gather and process data like no human ever could, segregating it according to your specific needs. It serves you an ocean of information on a silver platter. But here's a reality check. AI, for all its merits, cannot connect with the customer. It can't empathize. It can't engage. It can't establish that essential human connection that makes all the difference in the world of marketing. And this is where your communication skills come into play. You see, the data that AI provides is a tool, not a solution. It gives you the what, the who, and the when, but it's up to you to provide the why and the how. You need to take that data and translate it into a language your customers understand, appreciate, and respond to. You need to tell a story that resonates, that aligns with your audience's values and aspirations. Now, this doesn't mean you need to be a Shakespeare or a Hemingway, but you do need to master the art of clear, concise, and compelling communication. You need to understand your audience, their needs, their wants, their pain points, and their dreams. You need to speak to them, not at them. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It's not just about broadcasting your message. It's about listening, understanding, and responding. It's about creating a dialogue, building relationships, fostering trust. So, in the age of AI, where data is abundant and attention spans are short, your communication skills are your secret weapon. They allow you to cut through the noise, reach your audience, and make a real, lasting impact. Remember, great brands are built on connection with the customer, not just on efficacy, so harness the power of AI, but never forget the power of the human touch. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the technology you use, but the connections you make. Secondly, marketers must think like a customer. This is an essential skill in an era dominated by artificial intelligence. It's all about understanding the customer's journey, from the moment they become a prospect, all the way through to becoming a repeat customer. Now, artificial intelligence can be an incredible ally in this quest for understanding. With the help of bots and AI technology, we can gather a wealth of data about our customers. This data may include their points of interaction with the business, their pain points during their journey, and even their communication with your sales representatives. But here's the thing. This vast volume of data, as impressive as it may be, is only as good as your ability to use it effectively. And that's where qualitative research comes into play. Qualitative research is all about delving deep into the customer's experience, their motivations, their needs, and their expectations. It's about asking the right questions, listening to the answers, and understanding what it all means in the bigger picture of your marketing strategy. AI may be able to provide us with the raw data, but it's up to us, the marketers, to interpret that data. We need to make sense of it, to draw meaningful conclusions from it, and most importantly, to use it to improve the customer's experience. This is why we need to develop an aptitude for qualitative research. We need to spend time talking with our customers, studying their needs, their wants, and their expectations. We need to look beyond the numbers and explore the human aspect of the customer's journey. And remember, every piece of data is a piece of the puzzle. Every interaction, every communication, every pain point, they all paint a picture of the customer's experience. And it's our job as marketers to put those pieces together, to understand that picture, and to use it to guide our marketing strategies. So in the age of AI, let's not forget the value of human insight. Let's not forget the importance of qualitative research. Always look for opportunities to walk in your customers' and prospects' shoes. Scene script. Thirdly, successful marketers need to keep up with the fast-evolving technology. In the world of digital marketing, speed and accuracy are not just desirable traits, they are essential elements for success. The exhilarating speed at which technology is evolving means that marketers must be agile, adaptable, and always ready to embrace the new. It's akin to running on a treadmill that's perpetually accelerating. You must match the pace or risk falling off. However, speed without accuracy is like running in the wrong direction. It's not enough to be fast. Marketers must also be precise and meticulous. The digital landscape is flooded with data, and a good marketer needs to sift through this sea of information, select the relevant pieces, and use them effectively. Precision in interpreting data, targeting audiences, and crafting messages can make all the difference in a successful marketing strategy. But how does one maintain speed and accuracy amidst the dizzying pace of technological advancements? The answer lies in understanding and leveraging the tools at your disposal. With artificial intelligence, marketers can automate and optimize various tasks, increasing efficiency and reducing the potential for human error. Yet, to truly harness the power of AI, marketers must possess a basic understanding of related fields. As Mike Moran, senior strategist to AI marketing tech startups, puts it, if you're going into the marketing profession as a refuge from math, that's likely a mistake. You at least need to be comfortable making decisions based on data, even if you're not the one collecting or calculating the numbers yourself. This means having a grasp of analytics, understanding mathematical terms and concepts, and even knowing a few basics of coding. It's not about becoming a mathematician or a programmer, but rather about being conversant in the language of technology to make informed, data-driven decisions. In the age of AI, the tools and resources are available to all, but it's the marketers who can master speed, accuracy, and the right tech skills who will lead the race. Remember, in the age of AI, being comfortable making decisions based on data is crucial. Fourthly, despite the power of AI, content creation remains a human skill. Yes, artificial intelligence has revolutionized many aspects of marketing, from data analysis to customer segmentation. But when it comes to creating compelling, emotionally engaging content, humans still have the upper hand. Why is this? Well, AI can gather data, analyze trends, and even generate basic content. It can churn out blog posts, social media updates, and other forms of content at a rate no human could match. But while AI can mimic human language and follow content creation guidelines, it lacks one crucial component: human emotion and creativity. The best content, the kind that resonates with audiences and creates a lasting impression, is laden with emotion, creativity, and a deep understanding of the human experience. These are things that, at least for now, cannot be replicated by artificial intelligence. AI can't tell personal anecdotes or draw on human experiences. It can't understand the nuances of humor, sarcasm, or irony, and it certainly can't create a compelling narrative from a unique human perspective. It can't perceive the world as humans do, with all our complexities, contradictions, and beautiful imperfections. Moreover, AI-generated content often lacks the authenticity and personal touch that audiences crave. Today's consumers are savvy. They can tell when content has been generated by a machine, and they're much more likely to engage with content that feels genuine and human. In a world that's becoming increasingly automated, the human touch in content creation is more valuable than ever. So, as a marketer, it's essential to hone your content creation skills. Learn how to tell engaging stories, how to evoke emotion, and how to connect with your audience on a human level. Remember, AI is a tool. It's a powerful tool that can greatly enhance your marketing efforts, but it's not a replacement for the human touch. Only you can bring that to your content. As a marketer, you are the best judge of what you want to represent to your audience. In conclusion, AI is a powerful tool, but it cannot replace the human skills that are key to successful marketing. We've delved into 5 essential skills that every marketer needs to master in this AI-driven era. Firstly, communication skills. No amount of technological prowess can replace the human touch in forming connections with customers. Secondly, the aptitude for qualitative research. Understanding the customer's journey and using AI to enhance their experience is a must. Thirdly, speed and accuracy. In a fast-paced world, staying updated and making data-driven decisions quickly is crucial. Fourthly, content creation. Despite AI's capabilities, it lacks the human creativity needed to create compelling content that resonates with the audience. Finally, marketers must be adaptable, always ready to learn and grow with the changing dynamics of the industry. In the age of AI, marketers need to master these skills to stay on top of their game.